opportunity for a medal here for these four archers. First arrow of the match. But only one goal score in their first set. So highest combined score between the two archers will win the bronze medal. Seem to go first.
Only an 8.
Oh, how's the pressure? Going on the Slovenian target.
Just needs to be closer.
About to find out. Jan Favcic on hold from 2.
Oh, great arrow.
To 9. It's just missed a 10.
But he's got to be a 10 because it's such a close to the 9 blank hole.
Exactly, Pooja with the massive arrow now. What can she do here, Pooja? And she's got into the 9 zone, so for the win. It's just basically going to be a tight score here for Slovenia. It's Eva Lavrinch. It will be, the target's nice and big here for Lavrinch. And it's a 10 in Slovenia! They've got their very first medal of para-archery at a Paralympic Games. Sensational shoot-off win for Jan Favcic and Eva Lavrinch. Number 2, Bill Parma. What can he produce in this one? Hopefully not too much instruction, but just the right things. Oh! And he caught him, that's in it, and so automatic coming there. That was a mistake there, and you can see that, Oliveira, sorry, just stopped. And he was straight in there, Palmer.
Of Cuba. Simran from India, the 24-year-old from New Delhi. He was world champion over Zoom in Kobe. They're away clear. This is the D12 women's 100-metre final. Amorita Rangalius is coming under the threat, but there she is with the afterburners, gets it, and over for Germany. So that's another Paralympic medal for the 42-year-old Katrin Müller-Rothgar in her 6th Olympic game.
5-kilo category. Start.
And another good lift, and this is 3 white lies for Ashok. A mighty lift of 199 kilograms, and indeed, Ashok will leapfrog into 3rd place currently. Ashok will be in 6th position here in Paris.
Well, we and all in the Waterloo Chappelle Arena have been treated to a true para-powerlifting spectacle.